Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network, where every day we share real wins, real growth, and real opportunities to help you succeed in business and in life. With that said, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into our win of the day. My personal win of the day is all about preparing for growth. This morning, I deep cleaned and organized our office to create a more professional, productive, and welcoming environment for our team and also for our clients who visit us daily. A clean workspace creates better focus, better organization, and a better experience for everyone. So I went ahead and cleaned from wiping counters to dusting to mopping to sweeping, reorganized my desk area, reorganized our little snack area back there as well. All of this is good for us because that way it feels just more welcoming, more warmth, like our second home. Because this is like our second home. We spend hours in here, and this is the space where if it's clean, if it's organized, if it smells nice, it's just a good place to work in. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself my aplausos because you guys can't see it, but I am sweating. It is also a hot day out here today, so I am sweating. I am sweating, and I deserve these aplausos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, guys, that's one of my wins. Another important part of today's win is that, as you guys remember, I hope you do, today is Tuesday. And as I told you in some of our previous videos, Tuesdays is Recruiting Tuesdays. It is also Taco Tuesday, but here in the office is Recruiting Tuesday. So I'm going to go ahead and be heading out into the community to recruit new team members. So every person that we meet is a potential opportunity to help someone find a career while also helping our company continue to grow. So today's mentality is to go out there, look for people, for good people that are looking for employment, who have any experience within construction. So I'm going to be heading out today. It is a hot day, like I said. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm going to be out there. So if you're anyone that knows is looking for a job and is here in San Diego, feel free to reach us. But yeah, that's my second win of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and give myself the aplausos again. So yeah, guys, today's reminder is pretty simple. Sometimes the biggest wins aren't the loudest. They're small, consistent actions that prepare for your future success. So whether it's organizing your workspace, improving your systems, or meeting one new person, every step moves you closer to your goal. Thank you guys so much for joining us today on today's win of the day. We appreciate your support and invite you to follow our journey as we continue to grow together. If you are looking for opportunities in construction, real estate, or business, we'd love to connect with you. Please send us a DM, follow us on our social media, reach us, call our office. We are located at 3683 University Avenue here in San Diego. Or you guys can also call our office at 619-202-0679. Remember that every day is an opportunity. So go crush your goals, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another win of the day. And until then, keep growing, keep learning, and keep building your future. Have an amazing day, guys. Thank you.